Hello friends, welcome to our MCB channel Middle Class Boy. So friends, today we'll discuss about Diwali fire safety tips. So before starting, happy Diwali to all your family members, you and your childrens. Let's start. What are the ideal crackers to buy for kids below 12 years? Number 1. Do you know sparklers are 5 times hotter than hot cooking oil? Yes. Never give a sparklers to a kid below 5 years. Number 2. Flower pots, Sankuchakram tapes, sparklers can be used by older kids. Number 3. If they are bursting atom bombs, rockets, it should be always under adult supervision. It's very important. Number 4. The candle should be placed far away from where the crackers are used. So, it is very important. Number 5. Do not place crackers or any inflammable articles near the candle. Number 6. Should be fixed firmly to the ground. Number 7. Place them in an area where there are at least 3 feet between the candle and any surface above it. So this distance is at least 3 feet, very important. Next, coming to the candle safety. So candle safety is very important. We usually use candles to light the agarbattis used for lighting the wick of crackers and sparklers. There are some precautions that have to be followed. Sparkler safety. So sparkler safety is very important because maximum see like children's and adults are using these sparklers. So here we have to take the following safety precautions. If you are giving your kid above 5 years sparklers, then please follow the following precautions. Number 8, always light sparklers one at a time. Number 9, never hold a baby or child if you are having, yes, a sparkler in hand. Number 10, plunge fished sparklers hot and down into a bucket of water after they have burned out. So please follow this tip. Number 11, always supervise children while using sparkler. Number 12, show your children how to hold sparklers away from their body and at arm's length. Number 13, tell the children not to wave sparklers near anyone or run while holding them. How to prepare the area to light crackers. Before starting to get gale with the fireworks, check off these points to ensure a safe environment for your kid to burst the fireworks. Number 14. Select a free open area with no vehicle or trees nearby due to lack of spaces. I have seen many people bursting crackers in parking areas. So this is very fire hazard. If something goes wrong, there is a chances of any vehicle can catches fire or car or bike or anything. So this is very important. So please follow this safety precaution. Number 15, a bucket or two of water. And number 16, eye protection and gloves. These two also you have to wear. Number 17, a bucket of soft earth to put firework in. Number 18, suitable support launchers for spin wheels and rockets. So we have to use these tips while using rockets. Number 19, always keep the first aid box ready. Yes, my sincere advice everyone, please keep one first aid box if in case something goes wrong, so you have to apply first aid box. And number 20, keep away pets from the vicinity. If you have any pets, so please keep away. Celebrate a safe Diwali. Do's for a safe Diwali. Number 21, adult supervision. Very, very important. Number 22, buy only good quality firecrackers. Number 3, keep chakras and flower pots on the even ground. Number 24, wear closed footwear and close fitting clothes. Number 25, light crackers at arm's length using a tapper. Number 26, ensure the kid lights only one firecrackers at a time. So sometimes they are using two to like so this is very important. Number 27, discard used fireworks in a bucket of water or sand. So after use, this is very important. Number 28, use candle or agarbatti for lighting crackers. Number 29, check surrounding area for inflammable materials before bursting crackers. So very important, before starting your Diwali or starting your crackers, so please check all the surrounding area of your house or like any outside. Number 30, always keep the first aid box kit ready. Don'ts for a safe Diwali. So 31, never hold lighted firework in hand. Number 32, never wear loose or flowing clothes. 33, never allow children to carry fireworks in the pockets. So very, very important. Normally what happens, children are keeping some firecrackers in their pockets, so this is not allowed. Number 34, never go near a firework that has been lit, even if it has not gone off. There is the chances of exploding. So very important. Number 35, never light crackers indoors or corridors. So what happened, sometimes we are using these firecrackers inside the house and our balconies, corridors. So this is not allowed. Do not use this. Number 36, never bend down to light the firecrackers. 37, never put fireworks in a container before lighting them. 38, never let them light aerial fireworks if there is a tree or overhead wires nearby. 39, never throw the used fireworks on the streets or public areas. This was also one of the thing important. So please remember. 40, never allow the children to point or throw fireworks at others. So friends, I hope you understand this. So please follow all these fire safety precautions. Enjoy your Diwali and please follow all safety tips. Do you have any useful tips on how to celebrate safe Diwali? Do let us know by commenting below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Wish you a happy and safe Diwali. Thank you very much.